Somewhere between psychotic and iconic. Somewhere between I want it and I got it. Somewhere between I'm sober and I'm lifted. Somewhere between you and all your girls. But I stay down, yeah, you know I stay down. Get down, never lay down. Promise to break everybody up before I break down. Everyone just wait now, so much on my plate now. People I believe in, they don't even show their face now. What they gotta say now? Nothing they can say now. Nothing's really changed, but still they look at me awake now. What more can I say now? What more can I say? You might feel like nothing was the same. I still been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, cashing on the low, smoking on the low. I still been plotting on the low, scheming on the low. The furthest from perfect, like everyone I know. I still been drinking on the low, mobbing on the low, cashing on the low, smoking on the low, plotting on the low, scheming on the low. Furthest from perfect, like everyone I know. And I hate to think that I don't belong to you. Just too busy running shit to run home to you. You know that paper, my passion. Bittersweet celebrations. I know I can't change what happened. I can't help it, I can't help it. I was young and I was selfish, but you treat me like a stranger, but you know